Hi, drag race fans and diecast racing enthusiasts. It's Lloyd coming to you live from Drag Racing in the Desert, where I have 11 drivers waiting to bring you some fast paced and adrenaline filled drag racing. These racers have flown in from all around the nation just for your entertainment and to see which one will bring home the big prize. Ladies and gentlemen, I bring you Trucks and Vans Drag Racing in the Desert. First up, I bring you from Chase Family Racing this beautiful 56 Ford pickup truck. Next is Arlo Racing in his 1977 G20 van featuring the spectacular Spider-Man. Another beautiful entry from Lone Wolf Racing driving this white Silverado EV RST. Next, making his debut at Drag Racing in the Desert is Bad Dad Racing driving his black and white Dodge van. Another gorgeous entry driven by Dutch Clutch Racing is his beautiful 56 Ford pickup truck. Another nice looking entry, this beautiful 1976 Ford Econoline driven by Uncle Elvis Racing. Next, another 76 Ford Econoline van driven by GBU Racing. Traveling from the great state of Maine, Maniac Racing and his blue Dodge Caravan. Here he comes again, your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man, this time driven by Clay 131 Diecast Racing. Spectacular Spider-Man. Don't count out this ambulance. Driven by Abby Normal Speed Racing. I think it's gonna be quick. Last, but definitely not least, is this Circle Tracker truck from Foxy Racing. Qualifying and racing coming soon. Get ready for some fast 8th mile drag racing.